Hi, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Kira.
And we are
the chef.
And we are the
chef.
And we are the keepers of the books. And we are the keepers of the books, your online librarians. And our puppet guest today is the chef.
That's me. Not to be confused with one of those cookies.
How about the guy on the can? You don't know that, chef? The one on the can?
I know Chef Boyardee.
Yeah. Yep, that's the one I mean.
You make some pretty good pasta. I bet,
Not as good as me.
No, not good pasta. I'd rather have the chef's pasta. Okay, so today we are here with a Kids Keepers episode. We have a box full of blind bags, and Kira has to name some books to go with your favorite characters, and whatever we pull out, we're trying to stump her, because someday she said she can name a book for any kid, anytime, anywhere, and about anything, and I just think she's overstating it, but so far she's managed.
Yep.
And I can tell you lots of facts about cooks and chefs.
Okay, tell us a fact.
Do you know why they made the first potato chip?
I don't.
It was in 1853 when a chef had his fried potatoes sent back by an annoyed customer many times because they said they were too thick. So the chef got fed up, cut the potatoes razor thin, put extra salt on them, and the customer, to his surprise, loved them.
And now we have potato chips.
Yeah.
Okay, reach in here and stir the box. Pick a blind bag.
I'm stirring the pot. I'm an expert at that.
Which one am I pulling out?
Okay, right there.
Right there?
That's a good one.
I know some boys who'd like this one.
This is Minecraft Hangers. Has one hanger, there's 10 to collect, and there's randomly inserted chase figures.
I have lots of hangers.
Lots of hangers?
They're in my closet.
Yes.
Do you hang your hats up on them?
I hang my hat and I hang my apron.
Help me open the bag.
Oh boy, this is tough work. It's easier to crack an egg.
Do you think we stumped Kira? Take a look.
Stumped her. Yeah.
So,
It's a Minecraft sheep.
it is a sheep.
Oh.
On the back, we have the ones we can collect, and we got the sheep. Who's on this end?
I like lamb.
You like lamb?
Lamb chops.
Uh-oh.
And Yarrows.
Last time we get an egg, this time we get lamb. He keeps trying to eat our blind bag figures, Kira.
I know. What's with that?
You'd think you could cook everything we pull out of here.
Yeah.
Who would have known we would have pulled out a sheep? And these legs move. Okay, Kira, name some books about Minecraft and sheep.
Well, you have to check out the Minecraft handbooks. There's the combat handbook, the construction handbook, and there's a lot more Minecraft nonfiction books, and I could keep going on, so you'll definitely want to check those out. I'll put some extra ones down below.
Bah.
Don't forget Little Bo Peep.
Maybe this is the one she lost.
Oh, there's always Mother Goose from nursery rhymes.
Name some book about sheep. Nonfiction books about sheep.
Well, first I gotta mention Sheep in a Dream. Very cute picture book by Shaw. And of course, don't forget to check out Sheeps on the Farm.
Clack, bah.
Oh, that's click, clack, moo. Click, clack, moo, and giggle, giggle, quack also have sheeps in them.
Sheeps?
Sheep.
Sheep.
Don't be sheepish. Name those books.
All right, a nonfiction book about sheep.
I did. Sheep on the farm.
Sheep on the farm. All
Sheep
right.
to the rescue. Another picture book.
So all the information about those books will be in the description below, so you can take that to your bookstores or your libraries, and they'll help you find those books.
I got a book about sheep.
I don't want your book about sheep. You're gonna cook our toy again.
About a rack of lamb.
Yeah. With some mint jelly.
Excellent idea.
All right, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to make sure that you see our future blind bags.
Is this done yet? Come on, let's get going.
And until next
Put a
time,
fork in it. Put a fork in it.
Happy-
It's done.
happy reading and happy cooking. Bye.